The tech world is buzzing again, and this time, it's all about the upcoming iPhone 17 Ultra. Apple hasn't officially announced anything yet, but as usual, leaks and rumors are painting a pretty exciting picture. If even half of these predictions are true, the iPhone 17 Ultra might be Apple's biggest upgrade in years. So, what can we expect? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about design. Leaks suggest the iPhone 17 Ultra could feature a completely buttonless body. That's right, no physical volume or power buttons. Instead, Apple might use solid-state touch sensors with haptic feedback to mimic the feeling of a button press. This would make the phone more durable and water-resistant than ever before. But that's not all. The front design may finally say goodbye to the notch, and even the punch-hole camera. Some sources claim that Apple is working on an under-display front camera, giving users a true full-screen experience. Imagine watching videos or playing games on an uninterrupted OLED panel, now onto the display. Rumors are hinting at something truly futuristic, a holographic display feature. While this may still be experimental, Apple has reportedly been testing the ability to project limited 3D visuals above the screen. Could we be heading into the era of sci-fi smartphones? Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Ultra is expected to be powered by the A19 Bionic chip, Apple's most advanced chip yet. With better energy efficiency and massive AI processing power, it could handle real-time language translation, improved Siri performance, and next-level photo and video editing. Speaking of cameras, let's talk about what might be the most powerful camera setup ever seen on an iPhone. The Ultra model is rumored to include a quad-lens system with a periscope zoom lens, allowing up to 30 times optical zoom without losing quality. That's DSLR level zoom, right in your pocket. Also expected is a larger main sensor, better low light performance, and advanced computational photography for professional level shots. For video, Apple could introduce 8K recording and improve stabilization, ideal for content creators and mobile filmmakers. Battery life is another major upgrade. Reports suggest the 17 Ultra could introduce a new battery technology, potentially offering a 20 to 25% increase in battery life over the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Combine that with faster 45-watt USB-C charging, and you've got a powerhouse that lasts longer and charges quicker. On the software side, iOS 19 is likely to bring smarter widgets, more AI integration, customizable lock screens, and possibly interactive live wallpapers that react to time, weather, or even your location. And here's something exciting. Apple might introduce Face ID under the display, removing the need for any visible sensors and making authentication completely seamless. Pricing? Well, don't expect it to come cheap.